How to fix YouTube sound not coming through Bluetooth. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, swipe down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here tap the audio output or the AirPlay icon you see there and further select your Bluetooth device as sometimes audio plays through speaker instead. Next, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on Bluetooth and then go ahead and disable Bluetooth for a few seconds and then enable it again and reconnect your device as this will fix most connection glitches. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply try to disconnect or forget your device for the time being and then reconnect it, and this will refresh the audio link. See if that helps, and if not, then open YouTube and then force quit the YouTube application and reopen it again as this will fix temporary app bugs. See if that helps, and if not, then you can try to increase volume on your iPhone and your Bluetooth device. Also, as sometimes earbuds have separate volume control, so make sure to increase the volume for your Bluetooth device too. And make sure that the silent mode is not enabled or increase the volume manually as some media may still be affected. Also, you can check the battery of your Bluetooth device as low battery can cause no sound or distorted audio, so make sure your device is charged. See if your issue was fixed yet, and if not, then go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for YouTube and make sure the YouTube application is updated. Next, open Settings and tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated as this can also cause audio issues. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then in general again tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then on reset network settings. Further, go ahead and enter your passcode and this will remove Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairing, so you will have to reconnect it again, and by now your device and your Bluetooth connection has been fixed. So, this was about how you can fix YouTube sound not coming through Bluetooth. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.